Hello students, welcome to Badujar Sir Math channel, and today we are going to discuss about shortcut tricks of infinite series of implicit function. You want to know how to find the derivatives of these examples which are on your screen in 3 seconds. Yes, it is in 3 seconds. Now the derivative of first one is cos x upon 2y minus 1. Cos x upon 2y minus 1. And the derivative of second function y is equal to under root of tan x plus under root of tan x plus under root of tan x up to infinity, means infinite series is here. So its derivative is sec square x upon 2y minus 1. That's it. Yes, it is very simple. And the secret of these examples is if y is equal to under root of f of x plus under root of f of x plus under root of f of x up to infinity, means infinite series is there, then dy by dx is derivative of f of x upon 2y minus 1. That's it. You must remember this formula. Whatever may be the function inside under root, then you have to write its derivative as numerator upon 2y minus 1 is at denominator. This is very important formula. You will get final answer in 3 seconds. Okay. So the next example will be if y is equal to under root of cos x plus under root of cos x plus under root of cos x up to infinity, and what is the final answer? It become, or one more question, if y is equal to under root of log x plus under root of log x up to infinity, the solution for fourth one is minus sin x upon 2y minus 1. What is derivative of cos x? Minus sin x upon denominator is fixed. What is denominator? 2y minus 1. And here for fifth one, 1 upon 2y minus 1 into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So dy by dx equal to 1 upon x into x into twice y minus 1, x into bracket twice y minus 1. That is the final answer. See, 1 upon 2y minus 1 keep as it is into derivative of log x. What is derivative of log x? 1 upon x. So you have to multiply x at denominator. So the final answer is 1 upon x into bracket 2y minus 1. Now next question, question number 6. Here y is equal to x plus under root of x plus under root of x up to infinity. Then its derivative is, again one more question, that is y is equal to under root of a raised to 3x plus 1 plus under root of a raised to 3x plus 1 up to infinity. The solution for 6 is, what is derivative of x? 1 upon 2y minus 1. That's it. And the solution for 7th is, see, the derivative of a raised to x. What is derivative of a raised to x? A raised to x into log a. If power is not x, then derivative of a raised to f of x, you have to apply derivative of a raised to f of x formula. So derivative of a raised to f of x is equal to a raised to f of x into log a into derivative of power. So here the derivative of, then the dy by dx is equal to 3 into a raised to 3x plus 1 into log a upon 2y minus 1. It's very simple. What is derivative of a raised to 3x plus 1? That is a raised to 3x plus 1 keep as it is into log a into derivative of power 3x plus 1. What is derivative of 3x plus 1? That is 3 plus 0, means 3 is multiplied. Now next one is, if y is equal to under root of sine inverse x plus under root of sine inverse x plus under root of sine inverse x up to infinity, that is infinite series, then its derivative is 1 upon 2y minus 1 into derivative of sine inverse x. 2y minus 1 into derivative of sine inverse x, that is 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. It's a very simple form. Okay. Now next part is, if y is equal to under root of e, that is infinite series, what is f of x here? F of x is equal to e raised to x. So the derivative is dy by dx is equal to derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x upon 2y minus 1. Okay, it's really very. And the another series is if y is equal to x raised to x raised to x up to infinity. Here you have to observe this variable raised to variable raised to variable up to infinity. Okay, or one more sum, if y is equal to a raised to x, again raised to a raised to x up to infinity, means function raised to function up to infinity. And the solution of such type of series is also very simple. See, the derivative of 10th one, sum number 10 is y square upon 1 minus y into log x into 1 upon x. See, y square upon 1 minus y log x into 1 upon x. And for this one, here its derivative is dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to y square, keep as it is at numerator, upon 1 minus y into log of a raised to x into derivative of a raised to x, that is a raised to x into log a upon a raised to x. Here a raised to x get cancelled and this x which is become multiply, that is final answer is y square upon 1 minus xy into log a into again log a, that is the last answer is y square upon y square into log a upon 1 minus xy log a. That's it. It's very simple form. So the next, the solution for 11th is y square into log a upon 1 minus xy into log a. That's it. Y square into log a upon 1 minus xy into log a. It's a very simple form. Okay, the secret of this sum is if y is equal to f of x raised to f of x raised to f of x up to infinity, then dy by dx is equal to y square upon 1 minus, see there are two forms here, I will show both the formulas, both the shortcut tricks here, y square upon 1 minus y log of f of x into derivative of f of x upon f of x. What is meant by f dash of x? F dash of x is nothing but derivative of f of x with respect to x upon f of x as it is. Or sometime the formula will be, or it become dy by dx equal to y square upon 1 minus x log y, 1 minus log y into f dash of x upon f of x form. Instead of y into f of x, you have to write y here. Sometime the option means there are four options are there, means a b c d, and that answer will not be matched by using the first rule, by using the first shortcut, by using this one. Then you have to apply this formula, so you can match up the answer, final answer. Out of 4, 1 is the correct answer. Then sometime it will be not matched by using this formula, so you have to apply another formula for match up the your final answer. Understood? Now next question is, next will be extra question, that is question number 13. If y is equal to root x bracket raised to root x bracket raised to root x up to infinity, then its derivative is dy by dx equal to y square upon 1 minus, you have to simplify that. See, I will show you that one. See, it is nothing but y square dy by dx is equal to y square upon 1 minus y into log x into derivative of root x, that is 1 upon 2 root x. See, I will show you that, into derivative of root x, that is 1 upon 2 root x divided by root x. This root x not cancel. It become, sorry, here what is f of x? Under root this one. Then it become y square upon 1 minus y into what is the root x? This root x is nothing but x raised to half. Then you have to write half here, 1 by 2 into y into log x into 1 upon 2 times x. 1 upon 2 times x is here. Then you have to simplify this. You will get the final answer is this one. Okay, you have to simplify that by using the formula, right? Then next term is, if y is equal to e raised to x up to infinity, then its derivative is y square upon 1 minus y into log of e raised to x into derivative of e raised to x upon e raised to x. E raised to x get cancelled, and what is log of e raised to x? That is x into log e. Log e is 1. That is final answer is y square upon 1 minus xy. That's it. Now next one is, if y is equal to sin x raised to sin x up to infinity, then dy by dx is y square upon 1 minus y into log of, what is f of x here? F of x is sin x, log of sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x upon sin x, keep as it is, and that is nothing but cot x. So the final answer is dy by dx equal to y square into cot x upon 1 minus y log of sin x. Now next one is question number 16. If y is equal to tan x raised to tan x up to infinity, now you have to find out its derivative. It's also very simple. Y square upon 1 minus y into log of tan x into derivative of tan x upon tan x, keep as it is. Okay, it's a very simple. Just you have to solve such type of question by traditional method, and you have to match up the last answer. You have to tally the last answer by using the shortcut method. If you enjoy this video, then do not forget to like and share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe my channel. We'll see in next video.